It was never a plan for me to get into showbiz. Hinahangaan ko lang itong mga to, sina Sir Martin, Mr. Jean, Miss Leia, everybody else. But for me to be sharing the stage and the limelight with them, hanggang ngayon nagfa-fanboy pa rin ako. I still get starstruck, and whenever they say things like that, I'm like, but you know, I'm very, very happy that they're not just my idols, but they're also my friends.
Yes, yun nga rin eh, parang especially lalo na sa ASAP, where
yes,
you get to perform with them, and they get to perform with you, especially also the younger artists who look up to you. But after seeing that, na may mga concerts kayong ginawa, ang dami na, sobrang dami na, of course, in the span of 2 decades, do you still remember the first ever concert that you guested in, that you were a part of?
Oh yeah, the very, very first concert was with Lani Misalucha. It was called The Flight of the Nightingale. And hindi ko makakalimutan yun kasi during that time, I was being managed by Ronnie Henares, the guy behind Regine Velasquez as well. Yun nga, he was telling me na, I am going to make you my male Regine. So yun yung sinabi niya. So parang nilalako niya ako sa lahat ng mga producers, sa mga recording labels dati. And nobody wanted to, ayaw nilang sumugal. Kasi parang, sino na naman yan? Sino naman tong bagong grabe naman, next male Regine daw. And also same thing with other artists na parang, sino yan? Parang wala pang pangalan. But then it was Lani Misalucha who really accepted me. Na parang, sige tara, I'll take you under my wing. And dinala na niya ako sa lahat ng mga concerts niya here and abroad. So yun yung unang-una talaga.
And how did you meet Miss Lani? Like, how did she know about you?
Well, Ronnie was her manager also as well. Yun, doon kami nag-meet, and sobrang happy ko lang talaga na, you know, for somebody who had no name to be put on the same stage as with Miss Lani Misalucha, sobrang grateful ko talaga na. Kasi from then on, people started, and artists started to invite me sa kanilang concerts.
Do you remember like a song that started it all for you?
Superman by Five for Fighting.
That seems like a simple song, no? Parang chill song.
Chill.
How did you turn that into a Jen Matera song?
No, kasi the reason why I chose the song is because of the meaning behind it. People look at these artists or these superheroes, for that matter, na people who are indestructible, people who are untouchable. But little do they know that these people are sometimes, they have a human side as well. So pinili ko yung song na yun to introduce myself na parang I may have this powerful voice but I'm also human. And pinaareglo ko lang siya to be a big song. Kaya yun yung unang-unang kanta talaga na naging parang theme song ko.
Naalala niyo ba yun? Yung Superman, Five for Fighting? Ay, pwede mo ba?
Sample na sample.
I think dapat paalala mo ng konti.
Sige,